math time with Mrs. Depperschmidt. We've been working with decimals, and now we're going to take that to the next level as we expand our learning into the realm of hundredths. We need to start with this definition. Listen carefully. One part of a whole that is divided into 100 equal parts is 1/100th. And we write it like this, 1/100th. I'll read it again. One part of a whole that is divided into 100 equal parts is 1/100th. Written like this in a fraction. All right, that's not very complicated, and we'll move on and talk about decimals, hundredths, this way. Here's another fact about hundredths. 10 hundredths are regrouped as 1/10. This is our place value chart. We have the decimal point in place, and you can see that we've got 10 hundredths. Then down below, when we regroup them, they are the same thing as 1/10. Just as 10 pennies makes 1 dime, 10 hundredths are the same thing as 1/10. When we express hundredths in written form, they look like this with a decimal. The number 4/10, 7 hundredths can be expressed as 4/10. Make it a little bit larger for you. And 7 hundredths looks like this with the decimal point. 4/10, 7 hundredths. Now, moving on, I think these steps are quite logical, and as you understand that these are okay and allowable, your study of decimals is going to be quite simple. I'd like you to try to write these fractions in their decimal form. Let's start with 14 hundredths. 14 hundredths is written in decimal form like this. Next we'll write 23 hundredths. Just this way. And our last example is 37 hundredths. Alright, those are how the decimals look for these 3 examples. Keep practicing your decimals and notice decimals around you, understanding that when you see a decimal, it means a fraction of something. Today I'd also like to introduce a puzzle for you. Here's clue 1 of my puzzler. The answer to this puzzler is a number. I am a number with a decimal is clue number 1. Boy, that's wide open, isn't it? That could be so many choices. For today, I'll give you clue number 2 as well. I am between 40 and 50. We'll stop there. Next time, in our math video, I'll give you more clues for this number. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you at school, and remember to please always be kind.